For this one, I've combined the Coathanger cluster, which is south of Vulpecula, I can never pronounce that one, near the border with Sagitta. It's also known as Brocchi's cluster. Apparently it's no longer actually considered a cluster, just stars that appear to hang out close to each other. But it also relates to Coathanger pain, which is something you get with dysautonomia. It's a pain between your shoulder blades, which is actually caused by lack of circulation, because your body's misfiring, sending the wrong signals. It gets to pump blood to the right places, and you get this agonising burning pain. I've actually put it into some of my poems, but I can't remember if I've read them. I thought I'd turn that pain into something nice. And this is really nice, I think. Got what looks a bit like a spinal cord in the centre, but with a head, and carried by what looks like an eagle, possibly an owl up above, beautiful face to the right, and a few other birds and faces. So there's a close-up on the eagle carrying the spinal cord, and then there's a face resting in to the right of that, perhaps lizard-like. I'm sure I've read somewhere about the spine, this idea of a ladder connected to Newt, possibly Jacob's ladder. So there's that face off to the right-hand side, the face emerging from it. She's got her eyes closed like she's asleep or resting, but she looks really peaceful and not in pain. And there's actually almost like a nun that emerges from her head. And then this kind of spectral shell, I want to say, likely represents Newt on the top of her head. So here I kind of see this as an owl. I wasn't sure at first when I was going over it what it was supposed to be. I thought maybe it was a human face, but it's definitely more owl-like with the wings outstretched. Associated with Athena and wisdom. I kind of like the idea, in a sense. There is some wisdom inside our pain. It's a really difficult thing to think about when you are suffering, though. So above that owl, top left, I kind of see this face, like a male figure, an older male figure, possibly related to Zeus. Possibly see like a mermaid, merman type figure below the spine with sort of a golden type crown going off. There's that face that I showed earlier, the eagle to the left, and then another face with like a headdress here on the right. Earlier when my eyes unfocused and I could stop seeing that face, I actually saw that same area as like a male figure also carrying the spine. But I can't see that now. It's funny how your eyes focus and unfocus. So there we have the Coathanger cluster and Coathanger pain. And I think that's a really beautiful image, so I'm really pleased. And this serves as a reminder because there are some exercises that I can do which do help with that pain. Thanks for listening. Please like and subscribe.